Hello students, this is a very common problem of elevator and blocks. So suppose there is an elevator and it is moving with certain acceleration, and there is a waving machine at the bottom of the elevator. And suppose a block is kept on the waving machine. See, if the elevator is going down with an acceleration A, the velocity of the elevator is either upside or it can be downside. If it is velocity is downside in this case, if I say, then it is accelerating, we can say. Means velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. And if velocity is upside and acceleration is downside, then it is what? Retardation. Or we can say if the velocity and acceleration are opposite, then it is retardation, same direction than acceleration. Means retardation means the speed will decrease, and in this case the speed will increase. Now if it is said that suppose the mass of the block is m and reading by the waving machine is, it should be, if it is mg, it means what? The elevator is at rest or acceleration is 0. Even we can say elevator is moving with uniform velocity, acceleration is 0. So if the reading of the elevator is, say an example is mg by 2, it means the weight measured by the waving machine is mg by 2. So what will be the acceleration of the elevator? Now let us see, draw the FBD of the waving machine. If I see here, the waving machine measured the weight which is equal to the force exerted on it, and the force exerted is what? The block will exert the force in terms of normal reaction. And if you see the FBD free body diagram of the block, the force acting on it will be mg and normal reaction by the waving machine. So this n is by the waving machine here, you can understand, and here on the waving machine n is acting by the block. So from Newton's third law, equal and opposite. So this is the force of interaction n between block and waving machine. Now since this block is going down with an acceleration a, we can apply the Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. We know that the net force is equal to mass into acceleration. Since we can see as a ground observer, we can see the block is going down with an acceleration a, so you can understand that there are only two forces acting on the block. So definitely mg is more than n, so we can write mg minus n is equal to ma. And here reading is what? Reading is mg by 2, so n is equal to mg by 2. So I can write mg minus mg by 2 is equal to ma. So we can see that mg by 2 is equal to ma. So a is equal to g by 2. So I got the acceleration is g by 2. If it is elevator is going down, then it is acceleration. If elevator is going up, and then it will be retardation if the reading is mg by 2. I hope you got the problem, you got the concept, and you can apply the similar concept in many other problems. The same problem you can do by pseudo force also, in which the observer is inside the lift. So I will tell you later, when the observer is inside the lift, you can also solve this problem from non-inertial frame of reference, because the observer is inside and elevator is accelerating, so the frame is non-inertial, so which I will discuss you later. All right students, thank you.